Is your Dodge 3rd Gen Ram speakers rattling? Sounds like they're blown, vibrating like crazy, especially on the bass notes. Well, here we go. We got the Infinity sound system that they put in the 3rd Gen Dodge. And this is the Infinity speaker. Oh, can you read it? Infinity. Didn't do a very good job of printing it. So if you hear that vibrating sound, the speaker is not actually blown. These things are 20 years old. I figured all the foam was completely gone. You can't see it, can you? I'm trying to get you there. There you go. The foam is in really good shape. However, the glue that holds the foam on is not doing so well. So if you don't want to replace your factory Infinity speakers, just wanted to let you know. Bye. Go get you some speaker foam glue and glue this foam back down to the plastic surround or the metal basket where it has come separated. This one's doing both sides. That's what's wrong with it.